Hello guys, once again welcome you to my Random Tiger YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet app that you can conference a video call with your colleagues, with your companies, with your friends or anyone. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use this Google Meet application. So before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the informative video the first. So guys, you have to go to Google Play Store and then you have to type here Google Meet. So after typing here Google Meet, you can see here this is the logo. You have to download it from Google Play Store. So after downloading, I have already downloaded. Let's go to Google Meet here. So this is the Google Meet. You have to download it from Google Play Store, and then I will show you how to use this. You can see here you will find two options here. You can see here. So if you click on the microphone option, then your voice won't be heard by the another person, and if you put on the video, then your voice won't be heard by your face won't be seen by the other person. So guys, these two things are here, and then you can see here on the top right of your top left of your screen, you can see here. So just click here, and then you can see your settings option, so you can set your send more diagnostics information. So guys, what you have to do is you can change your these things, your email also here. So after this, I will show you. You can see here enter a meeting code. So just click on the enter a meeting code, and then if your company, if your friends or anyone gives you a code, meeting code, then you have to enter your code here, and then you have to press on the join meeting. So you will be redirected to the meeting. So guys, I want to inform you that you can't host the meetings in free of cost. So guys, if you want to create, if you want to host the meeting, then you have to pay for it. You have to download GSoup, and I will make another video to how to host for Google Meet. Thanks for watching guys. Please hit the subscribe button.